Hello my dear children, how are you all? And today we are going to learn something new. Okay, for that what you are going to do? Correct, you have to look on the board. Yes, today we are going to learn about this and that. What we are going to learn, children? We are going to learn the use of this and that. Okay, now you know when we use this? Yes, when we talk about a thing which is near to us. So, that time what we use? This. Okay, now look, all of you look here. Can you see this? What is this, children? Pen, and that pen is near to me. Okay, it is there near to me. So, what I am going to say? This is a pen. What I will say, children? This is a pen. Same way. Now, what I am having in my hand? Correct, compass. And tell me, it is near to me or far? Yes, correct. It is near to me. So, what we are going to say, children? Yes, we are going to say this is a compass. Very good. Now, I am having something in my hand. What is that? Correct, ball. Now, this ball is near to me or it is far from me? Yes, it is near to me. Can you see it is in my hand? It means it is near to me. So, what I am going to say? This. So, I will say this is a ball. Okay, same way. Can you see this bottle? Yes. Is this bottle near to me or far? Correct. This is near to me. So, what I am going to say? This is a bottle. Very good. Same way, children. When anything, any object which is near to us. So, what we use? This. Like just now you all are sitting in a chair, right? So, that chair is near to you. So, what you are going to say, children? Come on, all of you try. Correct. We are going to say this is a chair. Very good. Now, any object which is far from you, which is not near to me, which is far, means you have to stand up and go to that object, that much far it is from you. Suppose that there is one cupboard over there, that is not near to me, but if I want anything, what I will do? I will go near that cupboard and I will open and I will take the thing. Right now that cupboard is far from me. So, what I am going to say, children? Yes, the things which are far from us. What we are going to say? We are going to say that. So, what we will say, children? That is a cupboard. Yes, what thing is far from us? We are going to use that for it. Same way. Okay, can you see the fan? All of you must be having in your room. Can you touch that fan? No. Why? Because it is far from you. So, what you are going to say, children? Yes, that is a fan. Very good. Now, that fridge you are having, refrigerator, but where it is, where you are sitting, it is near to you? No, it is far. It is in the kitchen. Means it is far from you. So, what you are going to say, children? That is a refrigerator. So, now I think here your concept is clear. The things which are near to us, we use this for that. Okay, and the things which are far from us, what we use for that? Correct, we use that. Same way, all of you look at the picture. Okay, first you are going to repeat with me. This is used for the things that is near to us. Anything or any object which is near to us, for that we use this. Very good. Now, that is used for the thing that is far from us. Anything or any object which is far, for that what we use? Correct, we use that. Okay, now all of you look here. What is this? Come on, yes, it is a ball. Now, that ball is near or far? See, I am having ball in my hand. It is near or far? Correct, it is near to me. So, what I am going to say, children? Correct, this is a ball. So, what I will say? This is a ball. Okay, can you see here? What is this? Yes, it is a chair. Now, can you see that chair? It is near or far? Correct, it is far from you. So, what you are going to say, children? That is a chair, the thing which we need to point out. For that we use that because that is far. So, we need to point out, right? So, what you are going to say? That is a chair. Very good. Now there is an apple. Can you see? Yes, that apple is near or far? Correct, that apple is near to you. So what you are going to say? This is an apple. What you will say, children? This is an apple. Now same way, there is a house, but that house is near? No. Where it is, children? It is far. So what we are going to say? Yes, we have to point out and we will say that is a house because that house is far from you. Okay, same way. Can you see here which animal is this? Correct, dog. Now tell me, that dog is near or far? Right, that dog is near to you. So what you will say? Correct, this is a dog. Very good. Now, can you see that bottle? That bottle is near or far? First of all, to write this or that, you must know the object is near to you or it is far from you. Now see that bottle, it is near or far? Correct, it is far from you. So what you are going to say, children? That is a bottle. So any object which is near to you, we use it? Yes, this. But any object which is far from you, what we are going to use, children? Correct, we are going to use that. Now here one small conversation is there, and that conversation is between a teacher and a student. All of you want to listen? All of you listen it carefully. Okay. Student, can we play in the park? Yes. When you go to the school and you tell your teacher, teacher please you take us to the park, right? So here what students are telling to teacher? Teacher, can we play in the park? So they are having a teacher and you know the name of that teacher. She is Seema Miss. So what Miss is telling them? If you keep discipline, yes, but you have to maintain discipline. Okay, you have to be a good children. If you want to go to the park, you have to be a good children. Okay, then what students are saying? Yes, Miss, yes, you all said, okay, Miss, we'll be a good children, but you take us to the park, right? So what those students are saying? Yes, Miss, we will be. Yes, we will be a good student. Okay, then what Miss is telling? Stand up and form a line. Okay, you cannot run and go to the park, right? To go to the park, what you must do? Yes, you must form a line first. You have to be a good children. So teacher is telling, form a line. And how you must walk? You must make noise and walk? No, you have to maintain silence. Okay, whenever you are in the school, you have to maintain silence. So what happened now? You see, Miss. Okay, now Miss is telling them something. All of you listen. Girls can go on the seesaw. Where girls will sit? Yes, they will sit on the seesaw. And boys on the swing. And where boys have to sit? Correct. Boys have to sit on a swing. Very good. Now here we are having a small exercise. Yes, here we are going to practice about this and that. But what we are going to do, children? Yes, I am going to take it orally, but you have to do writing work at home in your book. So all of you look here on the board. First of all, what we are supposed to remember? The things which are near to us. For that, what we are going to write? Correct. We have to write this. And the things which are far from us. What we are going to write? Yes, we are going to write that. So for that you have to look at the things. So you will come to know. Now the first picture. Okay, can you see this what it is, children? Yes, it is a car. All of you have seen a car, right? Okay, now tell me, this car is near or it is far? All of you look in the picture, you will come to know. It is near or far? Correct, it is near. So what we are going to write? Yes, this is a car. So what we are going to write here? T-H-I-S, this. What we are going to write, children? T-H-I-S, this. Very good. Now, again we are having something here. What is that you know? Yes, you like to fly it in kite flying day. What is that? Correct, kite. Yes. Now, this kite is near or far? Come on, all of you think and answer. Very good. It is near to us. So, what we are going to write, children, when things are near to us? Correct. We are going to write this. So, what we will write here? Yes, we will write this is a kite. All of you repeat, children. This is a kite. And what is the spelling of this? T-H-I-S, this. Okay, now here something is there which is red in color. And all of you like to eat that, right? What is that? Yes, it is an apple. Now look here. That apple is near or far? Come on, all of you think and answer. Correct. It is far from us. So, what we are going to write when things are far? Yes, very good. We are going to write that. So, what we are going to write? That is an apple. All of you repeat, children. That is an apple. All of you say the spelling of that. Okay, you are going to repeat after me. T-H-A-T, that. All of you say T-H-A-T, that. Okay, now look here. What is this? Yes, it is a tent. Okay, now that tent, it is near or far? All of you have to think and answer. It is near or far? Yes, it is far from us. So, what we are going to write, children? Correct. We are going to write that. T-H-A-T, that. What we are going to write? That. And what we are going to say? That is a tent. Okay, now can you see something? What is that? Yes, it is a tree, right? Okay, now tell me, that tree is near or far? Look at the picture, you will come to know. Correct, it is near to us. When things are near, what we write? Correct, we are going to write this. So, we will write this is a tree. All of you repeat, children. This is a tree. Now, many of you are having computers at home, right? So, what is this? Yes, it is a computer. And that computer is near or far? Come on, all of you look at the picture and answer. Yes, it is far. So, what we are going to write when things are far from us? Yes, we are going to write that. So, what we will say? That is a computer. All of you repeat, children. That is a computer. Now, here one more thing is there. In that, I know many of you watch cartoons. What is that? Yes, television. Okay, now this television, that is TV. It is near or far? Yes, come on, tell me. Correct, it is near to you. So, what we are going to write? This is a TV. What we will write, children? This is a TV. Now, we are having a book here. Now, tell me, that book is near or far? Look at the picture, you will come to know. Yes, it is far. So, what we are going to write? Correct, that. So, what we will write? That is a book. All of you repeat, that is a book. Now, here something is there. What is that? Yes, ball. Now, that ball is near or far? Yes, it is near. So, when things are near, what we write, children? Yes, we write this. So, what we will say? This is a ball. All of you repeat. This is a ball. Now, here we are having a lamp, right? So, that lamp is near or far? Look at the picture. Correct, it is far. When things are far, what we write? Yes, we write that. So, we will say that is a lamp. All of you say that is a lamp. Now, here one sofa is there. All of you sit on sofa, right? So, there is a sofa. Now, look at the sofa and tell me, it is near or far? Correct, it is near. So, when things are near, what we will say? Yes, we are going to say this. So, this is a sofa. All of you repeat, this is a sofa. So, this way, children, it is very easy. When anything or any object which is near to you, when you can hold it in your hand, which is beside you. So, those things we call it near. So, what we use for that? This. But things which are far, you need to walk and go need to that thing. It is far from you. So, for those things what we are going to use? Yes, we are going to use that. So, now you know the difference between this and that. So, what you are going to do, children? Yes, you have to practice that at home and be a good children and do your lesson properly. And next time when we meet, you must know the difference between this and that. Okay, children, take care. Thank you.